Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start with prerequisites. Check your iOS version and confirm your device supports 64-bit apps. Next, enable the ability to install unsigned apps by preparing a signing tool like AltStore or Sideloadly. This is the first actionable move. Once the signing app is ready, open it and set up Wi-Fi sync or a USB connection. This allows you to sideload files. Make sure you have a valid Apple ID for signing and keep it ready for the next step. Now you perform the core sideload. Transfer the Delta Executor IPA to your computer and verify the file is intact. Launch AltStore or Sideloadly, connect your device by USB or Wi-Fi, then choose Install and select the IPA. This writes the app to your iPhone. After installation, immediately go to Settings, General, Device Management, and trust the developer profile used to sign the app. Without trusting, iOS will block launch. Once trusted, open Delta Executor to finish initial configuration. Finish by opening Delta Executor and granting any permissions it requests. Follow on-screen setup prompts so the app can access files and networks it needs. If the app won't open, re-sign the IPA with your Apple ID and reinstall over USB, because expired or unsigned certificates often cause failures. Make sure to refresh the signing certificate regularly, every 7 days for free Apple ID, so the app remains usable. One quick tip: reboot the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.